If you park over by Soak City, you can go over to Independence Hall, and that's what we're going to do today. Is we're going to take a quick tour on President's Day to Independence Hall. Now you can go.
Oh, hi. Our replica Independence Hall here is dedicated on July 4th, 1966, 190 years after the Second Continental Congress officially adopted the Declaration of Independence back in Philadelphia. So it is an 1-to-1, so an exact size replica of the Independence Hall in Philadelphia.
So here we are inside of a full replica of the Declaration Room.
Today the weather's really nice. When they were doing it, it was the middle of summer in Philadelphia.
Yeah, the weather's nice today.
Stifling hot.
Yeah, but back then it would have been very hot. Which is funny because they have fireplaces.
8, 9, 10, 11. Because they were doing it over the summer.
Yeah.
But if you were here in the wintertime, it would have been cold and you would have needed those fireplaces.
Many people believe the Declaration of Independence came easily, but the truth is it was a very hard debate that many paid with their lives to achieve. Full-size replica of the Liberty Bell.
You are looking at an exact replica of the Liberty Bell. This bell is a symbol of law, a symbol of justice, a symbol of the sovereign rights of the people. This bell has played a greater role in history than any other bell in the world. Cracked and mute, resting silently here in Independence Hall, it has been heard in the hearts of freedom-loving people throughout the world. Its effect as an emblem of liberty is magnetic, drawing those who seek their human birthright hopefully toward fulfillment. But, like the freedom it represents, the bell itself experienced many troubles, survived many problems.
Here we have a bust of Walter Knott himself, along with many different artifacts from Independence time. Some examples of early currency script. Before there was actually money in the United States, they had script. Some of the 1976 memorial guns, Benjamin Franklin, and a red coat from 1775. A little marquee of Betsy Ross and General George Washington. It says General George Washington, Colonel George Ross, and Robert Morris were appointed by the Second Continental Congress as a committee authorized to designate a suitable flag for the nation. In June 1776, the committee called on Betty Ross, who operated an upholstery shop at 239 Arch Street, Philadelphia. The 23-year-old widow of John Ross was shown a rough pencil sketch of the proposed flag. The sketch showed a flag of 13 horizontal straps alternating red and white. Here we have some portraits of those representatives to the Continental Congress.
The frenemies.
The frenemies.
Yes. Adams and Jefferson.
Adams and Jefferson, the frenemies in the corner together.
Yes, yes.
Who died within...
Oh, they died within hours of each other.
Yeah.
Adams was so mad. Jefferson still lives. No, he wasn't mad. He was just kind of like, oh, the guy outlived me. But he didn't.
By hours.
By hours, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They had some, disagreements about how to run this country. It's been part of this country's makeup since the beginning.
Yep.
Right? These
But
two guys.
it shows that you can have differences of opinion and still get along.
There were times they did not.
Yes, they do not.
And then there were times that they did. There were times, and there were times they were besties. And then, near the end of their life, we're like, we have major disagreements, but we can talk it out.
Yeah.
You know.
So we are now leaving Independence Hall. What did you think, Denise?
Oh, I love it. It's always a good reminder, especially on a day like today, one of our minor patriotic holidays. We're going to go have fun. But, we didn't appear out of nowhere, right?
Yep. This country definitely didn't appear from nowhere. There was...
Choices were made.
Choices were made.
For good and for ill.
Yep. And here we are. Now with the freedom to go to an amusement park.
Totally.
The mighty revolution has been gloriously completed in this land, so that millions yet to be born may live in freedom.
I wonder if future generations will remember what this declaration has cost this generation in treasure, sacrifice, and love.
If I had ever thought for a moment that they would forget, I would rue to my dying day ever having played a part in this work.
Today, a new constellation glows brightly in the heavens. A new nation has been born. We will, with God's help, continue to cherish, preserve, and indeed protect it with our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor.